Today we are primarily focusing on the Corvette, so we're going to go ahead and throw this in the garage. Got a couple things I want to go ahead and clean up and do and fix, such as front bumper. So I know it doesn't look too bad right now, but let's get in the garage and I'll show you what the problem is and what I'm going to have to end up fixing. Let's start this bad boy up. Got her in the garage. Now what I'm talking about is this right here. You guys remember the tire in Daytona? Completely destroyed that area. Everything else seemed to be fine. Although I do probably need to get a new splitter because this is pretty much worn out. So I'm probably gonna have to order another one of these, fix up the front bumper or put some more wrap over this to make it look clean, fix it up a little bit, and that'll deal with that. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta put everything back in the Corvette, like door panels, put the seat back in, gotta put the carpet back in the back, clean it up, vacuum it, make it look nice. But last night, the wheel studs. Let me show you what the wheel studs look like before. And we got the Corvette in the garage, we got the wheel off. Took us a while, but what we are doing today, it's very dark. I guess one of the wheel studs ended up breaking, and then it ended up breaking all of them. So I'll show you guys, literally look at this. Completely gone. Completely gone. This is caved in, this is caved in, this isn't even there anymore. So with that being said, these. So apparently you're supposed to upgrade to these anyways. These are also extended, so they're gonna be longer than this. So we can put more thread on the wheel. We have to take this whole thing off and take these off, which they're pretty much already off, then install those. Hopefully these are not warped or stripped or anything like that, because I don't want to order a new hub or anything like that. That would suck. Ended up fixing everything. That is a new spindle, wheel studs, wheel hub, everything. So this is the wheel stud. If you guys need a C6 Corvette spoiler, hit me up. These are for sale, both of them. Here's the spindle, and as you can see, the wheel studs are, this is all how it was. All of them are free spinning and not how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. This one just flew off. I have no idea, or probably snapped off. I'm thinking this is the one that broke, and then from there, it broke off from there, and then caused the rest of these to break and come off, because as you can see, it warped the around edges, like doing this. Got that taken care of. This is the carpet that we're gonna have to throw back on and in the car. Got the seat covers, got the spoiler right there. Gonna throw all that on today. So far we're looking good, we're looking good. We got this tucked in, we got these tabs going through. Gotta do this on this side. Tuck it in over there, tuck it in over there. Then put that piece right on the back of this. And then we got a complete interior look again. Threw on the middle part of the spoiler, so we're looking good. Still gotta put that carpet piece back up here, and then we are all complete. Oh, I still gotta throw these things on there. Let's snap these bad boys in. That. Same for the other side, and snap. These go on the seat, so it covers it up like that. Alright, let's tackle this now. We are complete on the back. Everything is tightened down, bolted in. Actually, I didn't have to bolt anything in, really. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum everything. Probably wash the carpet, make it look nice, smell fresh. And that's a wrap. Still gotta put the door jam back on there. What I actually have to do too is I have to take the speaker out, and I guess I didn't move a wire. I think it's this one right here. It's in the way of the window, so the window actually doesn't go down all the way. It stops to about right here. So I have to take the speaker out, move this line over, and then the window can go down. And then I can put the door jamb or door panel back in. And then as far as the interior and putting everything back in, that was everything. So let's go ahead and tackle that. Alrighty, got the door panel on, moved the wire out to the side. It was exactly what I thought. It was the wire connecting the mirror to the plug on the outside out here. And I guess when I took out the mirror to do the wrap, the line, I didn't move it out of the way, and the window was going right down onto it. So moved that out of the way, got that taken care of. We got the door panel back on. We got everything back on, as well as the carpet. One thing I also did too, this piece right here always came off. What I went ahead and did was I grabbed some double-sided tape, put it right here, and then I put this on top of that, so now this is not going anywhere. We got that fixed, and we are ready to go. Now I just got to clean the whole car, wash it up. Still got to finish and fix the front bumper, but I can't really do that until I get the front lip. As far as today, we're done. We just got to clean it up, wash it up a little bit. Alrighty, got her washed up. Now we got a dryer. I am on my way to go grab a diffuser for the Corvette. Then that is going to complete everything as far as looks wise and cosmetics for the Corvette. As you guys know in the previous videos, my diffuser blew up. And I'll show you guys what that carnage looks like right here. Well, this sucks. Try and find a diffuser. I definitely don't want to stop. We are on our way to Orlando to pick up a diffuser. It looks very similar to the one that I blew up, so I'm actually excited to throw that on there. I got the screws and everything in the cup holder, so I'm going to install it as soon as I get it, probably in that parking lot. Let's head on over to Orlando. I bet by the time we even get to Orlando, it'll be dark with how early it gets dark around here. So make sure everything's good with it, and then put it on the car and see what it looks like. Alrighty, we got the diffuser. We're going to put it on right here in this parking lot with some good lighting, and we're gonna throw this on, see what it looks like. It's exactly like how my old one was, but it didn't have the reverse lights, which that's a huge plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the reverse lights, black them out, and then it'll be complete. But for now, we're gonna put that on and finally have a diffuser on this car. Alright, well, this is kind of what it's gonna look like. Threw it on there. Now I just gotta bolt everything onto the diffuser. Right now nothing's bolted in, but it looks pretty aggressive. Alrighty, let's go ahead and finish up these bolts. Since you really can't see it at night, I'll show you guys what it looks like during the day as well. But this is looking real good. Let's finish it up. Alright, you guys probably can't tell, but I went ahead and threw all the screws on there. It took me a little while. I had to do some adjustments. But it is looking good. I don't know if I should wrap it or paint it gloss black like the spoiler. Now here's my thinking, right? That's like matte black. That's matte black. That's matte black. All that's matte black. Front splitter's matte black. Spoiler, however, is gloss black. So should I just leave it like this? Because it does kind of match everything on the bottom. Actually, maybe that works. Everything on the bottom is matte black. Everything on top, like the roof and all that, is gloss black. And the taillights. Does that work? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. but it is looking real good. This is what the diffuser looks like during the day. It actually came out really good. I tried wrapping it. I had my buddy Nelson try and wrap this, and it just would not stick onto the diffuser, unfortunately. So I was gonna wrap it gloss black. It's actually a couple days later, and it just wouldn't stick. So he said just paint it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Unless you guys say make it gloss black, then I'll paint it. But it looks really good. As the rear end goes, it is complete. I still need to get the reverse lights. So if you guys have a pair of reverse lights, let me know. No, I'm gonna get. Where did you get the diffuser from? I got it from Facebook Marketplace, but he told me that he got it from Carbon Creations. Hopefully that answers y'all's questions. I get my front splitter in next week, so that'll take care of the front splitter, and then we're gonna go ahead and tackle this next week when I get the splitter, take care of the front bumper, and then the whole car is completely ready to go. I do have to put the fog lights back in, re-wrap this area right here, and we are good to go. I think I've been through 3 splitters so far, and hopefully this is the last. That's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do, make sure to smash the like button. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Like always, guys, have a great day. Peace.